Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, student of class metric. How are you? Hope you will be fine. हम लोगों ने अभी पहले रीडिंग की थी. अब मैं आपको काम बताने जा रही हूँ डिवाइस कैलिफ चैप्टर नंबर 2 का. ठीक है, ए कॉम्प्रीहेंशन की हेडिंग डालनी है आप लोगों ने. फिर आपने स्टार्ट करना है क्वेश्चन 1. What was Caliph Harun Rashid known and respected for? फिर आपने इनका आंसर लिखना है. The Caliph Harun Rashid was known and respected for his justice and wisdom. At night he would disguise himself as a common man and go through the streets of Baghdad. He would mingle with the common people in order to gain first-hand knowledge of their difficulties and problems. Question number 2. Why did he go through the streets of Baghdad at night? Answer. He would go through the streets of Baghdad and mingle with the common people in order to gain first-hand knowledge of their difficulties and problems. Question number 3. What did Qazi say to Caliph? Answer. The Qazi approached the Caliph and said to him, O leader of the faithful, I have brought before you a dispute which I could not settle. It is a difficult case, but I am certain with your knowledge and wisdom you will pronounce a decision. Question number 4. What was the dispute between the rich man and the beggar? The beggar refused to get down the horse because he said that he had given the rich man a ride and now he wanted to rob him. Question number 5. What did the rich man tell the Caliph? The man said to the Caliph, O leader of the faithful, I beg to believe me that whatever I say in your presence shall be the truth. This morning, when I was riding to the city, I saw that beggar limping along ahead of me. On hearing the sound of my horse's hoofs, he turned round and motioned to me to stop. I pulled the reins of my horse. He begged me to give him a ride up to the city gate. He was lame. I felt sorry for him, so I pulled him behind me on the horse. When we reached the city gate, I stopped and turned round to help him get down. He refused to dismount. I was puzzled. He said, Why should I get down? I gave you a ride and now you want to rob my horse. Question number 6. What did the beggar tell the Caliph? Answer. The beggar said to the Caliph, This morning when I was coming to the city on my horse, this man requested me to lend him my horse. I gave him a ride. When we reached the city gate, he refused to dismount. He claimed that it was his horse. Question number 7. Why did the beggar refuse to get down from the horse? The beggar refused to get down from the horse because he claimed to be the master of the horse. Question number 8. What did the horse do when the beggar touched it? Answer. The horse whined as if it did not like the touch of the beggar. Question number 9. What did the horse do when the rich man touched it? Answer. When the rich man touched the horse, it snorted and nagged with pleasure. Question number 10. What did the Caliph say the beggar? Answer. The Caliph said the beggar, You are a liar and a wicked man. Tried to rob an honest and respectable citizen. You deserve severe punishment, but I forgive you this time. B part. Let the spelling of the following words from the lesson and use 10 of them in your own sentences. स्पेलिंग पढ़ें वर्ड की. जो आपके लेसन में जो वर्ड्स थे उनको निकाला है और दिया गया और इनको आपने अपने ऑन सेंटेंसेस में यूज़ करना है. नंबर 1. अफोर्ड. अली कैन नॉट अफोर्ड हिज स्कूल फीस. नंबर 2. विंस. द हॉर्स विंस एट द टच ऑफ द थीफ. क्लेम. He claimed his shares from his deceived father's property. Number 4. Puzzled. The adversity of the beggar puzzled the rich man. Number 5. Pronounce. I cannot pronounce this word. Number 6. Disguise. The Caliph disguised himself as a common man. Number 7. Dismount. The beggar was not dismounting the horse. Number 8. Let us solve our dispute. Dispute का sentence है ये. 9. Lend. Please lend me some money. Number 10. Limp. The beggar was limping. Number 11. Motion. Newton introduced the 3 laws of motion. Number 12. Nag. His horse tossed her head and gave out a high nag to the sky. Number 13 is snort. When the rich man came near, his horse snorted. Number 14, swear. I swear that this horse belonged to me. Number C, complete the following sentences by using suitable phrases from the list given below in their form. Be off, put up, fight over, fight for, feel sorry for, well to do, well off, fell ashamed of. कंप्लीट करने ये सेंटेंसेस जो सुइटेबल फ्रेसेस को, यानी कि जो आपको सुइटेबल लगे, उस सूट करे, वो उठाएं लिस्ट से और उसकी के मुताबिक सेंटेंसेस बनाएं. नंबर 1, ही सॉ 2 dogs फाइटिंग ओवर अ बॉन. नंबर 2, फ्रॉम हिज ड्रेस ही अपीयर्स टू बी अ वेल टू डू सिटीजन. नंबर 3, नोटिसिंग अ फॉलन tree blocking the road, he immediately pulled up his horse. Number 4, he was very poor last year, but now he seems to be quite well off. Number 5, the master ordered his servant to be off and out of sight. Number 6, you misbehaved with your teacher and you should feel ashamed of yourself. Number 7, his father was a great leader. He fought for freedom. Number 8, he was very poor last year, but now he seemed to be quite well off. Number 9, the master ordered his servant to be off and out of sight. Number 10, you misbehaved with your teacher and you should feel ashamed of yourself. Number 11, the rich man saw the lamb beggar and felt sorry for him. Number 12, his father was a great leader. He fought for freedom. Number 13, the rich man saw the lamb beggar and felt sorry for him. D, make nouns from the verb given below and use both nouns and verbs in sentences of your own word. अब आपको nouns को verb में बनाना है और जो नीचे दिए गए हैं और उनके sentences बनाने हैं, दोनों के noun और verb के अपने own sentences में. Word sentences: beg, begging, has become more of a profession nowadays. Live, what area do you live in? Lend, please lend me your pen. Believe, do you believe this liar? Please forgive me. Speak, you can only speak when you are spoken to. Make nouns from the verb given below and make us both nouns and verbs in sentences of your own words. Noun sentences: begging, the only one we should be begging is Allah. Life, we only get one life, so we should enjoy it as much as we can. Loan, did Faraz return that loan he took from you? Belief, we should respect each other's beliefs. Player, it was my player meeting Ahmad. Gift, it is a nice gift. Speech, his speech was excellent. E, complete the following sentences by using the correct form of the verbs placed in bracket at the end of each sentence. अब आपने इसको past मतलब प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, जो भी सेंटेंस आपको सुइटेबल लगे वो वर्ब आपको यूज़ करते हुए ब्रैकेट में जो आपको दिए गए हैं, आपकी बुक में मेंशन है, उससे देखते हुए एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करना है. द हॉर्स मैन नोटिस्ड अ बेगर लिम्पिंग अलोंग द रीड. व्हेन ही टर्न अराउंड एंड लुक्ड बैक, द राइडर एंड द हॉर्स डिस्पेयर्ड. अलोंग द रोड है. The beggar clung to the horse. The caliph ordered him to step forward and tell his story. Both of the men swore on the holy book. अब आपकी एक्सरसाइज है डी, लास्ट एक्सरसाइज. Question 1. Describe in 10 sentences the dispute between the rich man and the beggar. आपको ये अपने